2024 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.